friends, welcome to our channel Chem Achievers. I am Pranesh. Today I am discussing about the some photochemistry regarding NEM reaction. Okay, so that is under in radical chemistry. That is the main thing. Okay, you just understood. You just understood this logic. This NEM reaction is called Barton reaction. Actually, these two reaction I will in this video I will give two NEM reaction which belongs to photochemistry, but photochemistry also going to radical reaction, so that's why I choose here. See, this is Barton reaction. Scientist Barton has developed this NEM reaction, so that's why it called Barton reaction. So you see what happened if you have an alpha, beta, gamma, delta. If you take a system like that, here if you see it is any alcohol. Previously if any alcohol is there, so in alpha, beta, gamma, delta position hydrogen will abstract by this oxygen atom, and here introducing of some group of delta position, and giving this kind of final product. So what will happen here? Delta hydrogen, main thing is there, delta hydrogen abstraction and addition of another group and delta position by adjacent OH group respect to OH delta hydrogen, alpha, beta, gamma, delta. No, see, this is one kind of system, and here I use like that in previously nitro reagent. So we will go up to nitroxide. So then in presence of light, first OH is there, nitro will form, one reagent I gave. So in presence of light it will clip, okay, because it become O dot. No, this is O dot. You just carefully see, I directly started from some example for understanding purpose, then I give an example that in that example you should understood. Here see, O dot is there, then O dot what will take? It will take this delta hydrogen abstract. It take this delta hydrogen and it will clip by symmetric way and radical will come there. Then this nitro will release as a nitro radical, it will come in place of hydrogen position, so it will come like that. Then there is amine group is there, so it will go like that and it will come like that. So it is the final product. Then it will clip any other thing compound. So here I want to apply the Barton reaction. This is the reagent, this one you see, chloronitroxide, like that, NOCl. It is called simply NOCl. Sometimes it is right like that, sometimes NOCl is there, pyridine base is there, and then second condition is HNO toluene, third condition is acetic acid and NaNO2. This is different condition, up to this is the Barton condition. No, so this first step, what happened? First step, you just select the what is the main principle of the Barton reaction. Barton reaction is abstraction of delta hydrogen. So here alpha, beta, gamma, delta. So this methyl has an contain delta hydrogen. Here alpha, beta, gamma, and this is delta also. But reaction is going here, not there, because I think they are giving also this example because this is product will form, but this is not a major. Here also delta hydrogen you see na, here in this methyl also delta hydrogen, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, in this also delta hydrogen. So both side delta hydrogen is there. So main what is the major product? Because they are also getting here this product here. They are going to abstraction of here in this position. Delta hydrogen abstraction they got, so that's why they emphasize only this product. So that it is easily accessible. In this cyclohexane ring, it is different ring, but it is a same ring. In this same ring, see this OH and this Me has a same ring, so that's why hydrogen abstraction will happen there. So I wrote like that here first. See, you also see here I wrote like that. Here nitro is there, no? So I wrote like that NO. Okay. Bond ONO, and here I wrote like that CH2H. So after giving this HNO means light, source of light, what happened here? O dot is coming, so that O dot would tackle this proton as a radical way. So here CH2 dot will come. So what will be the product? Next step, what will be the product? I don't write this moiety, I just write this first moiety. So here you see, this is this product, that I will write like that, and here is many group are there, here many group are there. So don't write, just consider about this moiety. Here see now, here I wrote O dot, and here I wrote here I wrote OH, because already this will take the proton na, and CH2 dot is there, and what will come? NO will come here. So for next step, what happened? Here this OH will come, and here NO will come. Understood? So previously OH is there, then I also nitro into OH, and it will go here, not here. So in radical way it transfer to here. So what is the next step? Not write this thing, so I will directly write this. Here OH is there, no? OH I will write, and here methyl CH2 NO. So further what will happen? Here one of the proton will go there, and here will become OH. So what is the final product? I directly wrote here for final product. You just see, I directly wrote here OH, and then here imine. Okay, now what happened? Here they use SiOH or NaNO2. So what happened here in this last step? First step is here delta hydrogen abstraction by adjacent O group, and then this will CHNO moiety is formed, and then this is the one of the third step in between the step. So final product is, after SiOH is NaNO2, what will happen? The final product, you carefully see, the final product I wrote. Final product I wrote is like that. This is O, this OH. Okay, this is the final product. What is the remaining substituent? It is there like that. So this is the final product. Because hi friends, here I choose another example of application of Barton reaction. See, here this kind of moiety I choose, but you see the what will be the product like that is NO is there, this kind of moiety is there. You just see NO means previously it came from OH, no, OH is there, and it will form to NO in presence of nitrosyl reagent. Okay, so here if you can choose alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and another delta hydrogen is like that, another is like that. So what will be the near to you? Near to this delta hydrogen. No, this is so far, and this is also so far. This is little bit out. So what will HB will happen? Here delta hydrogen extraction will happen. See, here one delta hydrogen and oxygen is there. So what will be the product? Here see, O dot is there, no, and it will take this, and this will come, and the final step it is the third step. Okay, then up to now Barton application is completed. Then they use another moiety like that, TSCl. They will get tosyl chloride and pyridine. They applied this reagent. For here is some rearrangement will happen. What is this rearrangement? It is called Beckmann rearrangement. So first step is simple. You took the nitrosyl alkoxy nitrosyl you took, and then you get the Barton condition, and you will get this Barton product. That Barton product they use this kind of catalyst and base, you will got the Beckmann rearrangement product. So this is common name reaction. And what is the use of Barton regulation? That example you can see in 2016 December, one question came. This it is called Hofmann-Loffeler-Freytag reaction. It is same like as Barton reaction, but condition is different. Here previously they use photo light as well as nitroxide type moiety, but here is used acid, and the previously OH is participating. Now here another leaving group like chloro, this type of moiety will participate. So you have to see the general consideration about this name reaction. See here I choose this kind of moiety like alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Y means like N type of moiety, and means nitrogen containing moiety. X is different leaving group like chloro, bromo. Generally chloro is very important. So N I chose here. Y is N, my nitrogen containing, maximum nitrogen containing moiety, and X is chloro, bromo, like that. So first what happened in presence of light? What happened in presence of light? That will clip. Okay, this X is leave from this, and that what happened? X is leaving, no, and then that is there, Y dot is there, no, that Y dot abstract this delta hydrogen. Okay, alpha, beta, gamma, delta. This is delta hydrogen, no, it will take by this adjacent Y group and it will come there. So what happened here? Dot is coming. So this is forming, and then this leaving group will come there. No, this leaving group is come there. So this is the product. In case of Barton reaction, OH is there. Previously here no leaving group, only OH is there, and delta hydrogen abstract and nitrosyl is there. But here is different, X is different, and that X will come there. So that is the main difference of Barton and HLF reaction. Okay. See here I choose one simple example for your understanding purpose. Here I choose N for in place of Y, and X is Cl, and this is R is different. Whatever the different group is, the different. See this condition H nu H plus. Previously what we used? NO. Here not a NO. Here is a H plus. So H plus is used, and that is the main function. This Cl is come there. See, Cl is come there, and H will go there. And then what happen? If you use base, then that base will abstract this H minus, and it will attack there, and it will leave, and this kind of 5 member will form. So like pyrrole type moiety. So this is the application of one of the simple application of this Barton reaction. But here you have to understood what happened in exact mechanism here to here, because here is the application of HLF reaction. You want to know what happened exact, how to it is transfer, and what will be the how this product will happen. Just see here what happened mechanism. This N will, this nitrogen first, it will take nitrogen first. What happened? It will take this proton source, because already we are giving proton source. So that was, it will form like that first step. Okay, N plus H. Then in presence of light, because here chloro is there, na, in presence of light it will clip. Clip means here chloro will come, and it is like that, chloro and dot. So you just always remember chloro plus dot both will exist as one moiety. Then here in presence of light it will clip. So it will take by this, and it will clip, and this will come, and then the remaining chloro is there, na, chloro dot is there, that will come there in this place, that will go actually there, and it will the final product. Then one hydrogen will remove and valence will fulfill. So that is the application of the HLF reaction via photochemistry, via radical formation. So this is one of the most important name reaction in photochemistry. Now I will go to the examples. This is the starting material, and H2SO4 140 degree I choose, and NaOH I choose. This is heating conditions they will give, and what will be the product? Product is this. I think I not given here proper example of this. You just write down your notebooks and try to do mechanism, because this is easiest mechanism. Previously I gave two mechanism, so like that it is easily. This is the product, and here I took another example, an H2SO4 one same condition, and this is the product. So this is the small example or a small application of HLF reaction. So I will go to another most important example. See, here I choose this material, and H2SO4 95 degree means this Barton condition is there. Every time you remember, because is NCl motif is like that. So what happened? You just do your mechanism your own way, and you have to check what will come like previous. So that two products will form. So what will be the major product? So major product is this one, because here N is there, no? That hydrogen will what is first is that this deuterium will abstract. Oh no, sorry, actually the final here the main major product is this, not this. This is minor. So what is this maximum mechanism? Maximum mechanism is that here this will here dot plus will form, that will abstract this hydrogen, not deuterium, because radical formation of proton is more easily facile, not a deuterium. The deuterium also form, but this is minor product. So you also tell that some percentage will form. So this is minor product, and deuterium is there, and it will attack 1 2 3 4 his nitrogen, 1 2 3 4, this nitrogen will come there, and it is 5-member ring. So this is the major product, and this is minor product. That time deuterium will come. So that's why that is major, that's a minor. You have to cross check by your mechanism in your notebook, and you will clarify this idea. And this is another application of Barton reaction. See, this is the main product, major, smaller, but this is maximum major product. So what happened here? C4H9 1 2 3 4, here 1 2 3 4, this will remain part. Now this part will remain, here it is formed. So alpha, beta, gamma, this delta, so that will come and attack there, and this is the major product. So this is the application of HLF reaction. See, this is the major product, this is two application. Now I give the final example, you will check. Here I chose this kind of cholesterol moiety here, and here H2SO4 HNO or NaOH. This is the HLF condition. Here NCl Me is there, and this is alpha, beta, gamma, delta hydrogen. So that will clip by this photochemistry, and that will come, and the NaOH form this 5-member ring. You have to cross check your this product by your mechanism. First step again I will tell, that will form, here cleavage will form, that delta hydrogen abstraction from this methyl group, and this NH will come, and this chloro will come there, and in presence of base this negative will form, and it will attack in situ, and this 5-member ring will form. So here is the final product. So in this video I clarified two main important name reaction, what is called Barton, and this is HLF, an application of this reaction in radical chemistry. So you just study well and prepare well for your NET exam.